How to create a sprint in Clickup. To create a sprint in Clickup, you can follow the steps. So I will show you each and everything. The first step is login into your Clickup. Open your web browser. You can just go to google.com or any other browser, and now you have to visit this Clickup website. If you just go to the Google and search ClickUp, you will able to find this first website. So just click on it, and here we are into this website of ClickUp. Once we're here, you have to create an account. If you have already an account, then you can just click on login, right? If you're starting for the first time, click on get started. It's free. Once you're here, you have to enter your email address, right? So here I will just enter my email address and hit this next button. Once I do it, we have to just wait for a few seconds. Now it will ask my full name. So I will just write here my full name. And here I have to create my password. So I'll just click on my create my password and click on play with ClickUp. But you have another option to create an account. You can just create an account with your Google account too. Now click on play with ClickUp. Now it will ask me a confirmation code sent to my email address. I'll just paste my confirmation code here. What would you like to click up for? It's for my work, and you can just fill up everything, right? So I will just complete in just few seconds, and now it's done. I will just click on next. I'll just click on finish. Once you are able to do it, first of all, you have to go to the navigate to the spaces. Once logged in, as we have already did, you will able to see spaces listed on the left sidebar. Click on the space when you want to create the sprint. Create a list of folder. With the selected space, you can either create a list of folder to organize your task for the sprint. Lists are individual task list, while folders can contain multiple lists for the broader project organization. The fourth step is add task to the list. Click on the list or folder where you want to create tasks for your sprint, then click this plus button to add tasks to the list. You can add tasks manually or import them from other sources. Now set up your sprint view, which is optional one. And the sixth step is assign task to sprint. So of course we are making sprint to assign some tasks, right? Once the task has been assigned, set sprint goal and duration. Then you can just monitor their progress, review, retrospective, and each and everything. By following the steps, you can create and management a script in ClickUp to help organize and track your team work effectively. Adjust this process as needed based on your team's specific workflow and requirements, which we can do it very easily into this ClickUp website. I hope you found this video very useful.